isn't gonna be a good idea. I
Just,
feel like I'm gonna go forward and break.
just do it.
No.
You're already in there. You made me get up. Just go.
No.
Go.
No, Kristen, don't push me.
Then just go.
I think I'm in a wheelchair.
What are you doing?
Retreating.
No. Fucking go.
Don't do it.
Retreating.
Rosie!
Go.
Come here, Rosie. If Rosie comes up the stairs, I will.
Rosie's broken.
Exactly, I'm broken. Rosie!
Come on, I'll even let you break my bin.
Let me get pillows. Give me pillows. Go in my room and get pillows first. So if I fall, it's a good fall. It's just so bad. You got my good pillows. I need Mr. Poopy.
Mr. Poopy? Hello.
I need a helmet. Goodbye, cruel world. This is such a bad idea. I really don't want to do this. This has a really bad idea written all over. You know what?
I'll take you to the hospital.
Oh, that's great. I don't even get workman's comp for this. Oh, my foot's stuck. I know. I breathe like I'm a snail.
Just go.
I'm Gary the snail.
Go.
No.
Go. You want to do it again?
No.
Oh, goodness.
Mr. Poopy.